Mental health. At the root of this dilemma is the way we view mental health in this country. Whether an illness affects your heart, your legs, or your brain, it's still an illness, and there should be no distinction. A quote taken by Michelle Obama. When talking about mental health, people conjure up ideas that are often associated with various negative things. People often misunderstand mental health. This could be partly due to the history of mental health and the stigma that comes with it. Various countries have approached mental health differently, some countries choosing to tackle the stigma that comes with mental health instead of the actual problem. Others have put in place various things to help tackle the actual issue, but in most cases, mental health, even nowadays, is not acknowledged as a serious problem, even though it accounts for 28% of the total burden of disease within the NHS. Yet only 13% of the NHS's budget is actually spent on it. Simply put, that is around about £150 million a year, or £8 per person suffering from a mental illness. On average, not only within the UK, but worldwide, 1 in 4 people suffer from a mental illness. But what could actually be done by our own government to help tackle mental health? There are 2 key things that could be done which would drastically improve mental health not only within the UK but worldwide. Firstly, more money should be invested into mental health as it accounts for such a large portion of the NHS's burden of disease. This will give more facilities that can be built as well as more research into mental health. Not only this, but the money could be used to make people more aware of the problem and taking the stigma away from it. The second key thing that could be done is we could provide early learning of mental health at a younger age to help children and teenagers understand it and give them the support they need. This could also be brought into places of work